is it? It is a single displacement reaction. All right, questions 24 through 28. I have my answers on my paper in my notebook, but I also printed out the formative test questions. I will read the questions, explain my answer, and then go from there. So let's read the background information that we are given. An unknown white powdery solid has been found in the lab, simply labeled as ionic unknown number 3. You set up a series of tests to identify the substance. So, A, the substance dissolves in water, creating an aqueous solution. This means that the substance is soluble because when it creates an aqueous solution, it is soluble. And when we look at our rules, soluble things are always aqueous, so that's how we can identify that. B, adding silver nitrate to the solutions made in A above, causing a solid to form. This means, so this is just the basic, a basic line of what I wrote in my paragraphs underneath it. So this is question 25. So a compound containing nitrate are soluble. So the participant must have silver in it as well as something from the ionic powder. The only insoluble participant substances with silver in the solubility rules are Al, Cl, AgBr, and AgL. So the AQ powder must contain one of these elements for it to basically react. (26) Adding sodium sulfate to some of the solution from A, causing a participant to form. This means that we must add an ionic solid. So compounds containing sodium are AQ. So the participant must have sulfate in it. The only sulfate in our solubility rules are BaSO4, SrSO4, CaSO4, and PbSO4. We can get that from right over here. And it even tells us in our solubility rules that a participant will form. So this means that the ionic solid that's going to form must contain one of these 4 elements. All right, last page. What could the substance be? So I got Cl to the -1 power, Ba2 plus, Sr2 plus, Ca2 plus, and Pb. And now we have to identify the unknown substance. So the substance can either be BaCl2, BaCl2, BaL2, BaBr. These are because when we went over these questions above, they have to contain either silver or a ionic part, and Ba is ionic, and then the Al, Br, Cl were what we identified up here, so we can make these possible products. So this was my ALT 5 redo assignment to raise my grade from my B to hopefully an A. I hope this is what you were expecting and what you wanted. If there's anything else that I forgot, please let me know. And thank you for your time, and thanks for a great semester.